What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skate Park Check-In. This is episode 20, back on Long Island. What brings us back here is the newly built skate park at Brentwood, right here at the Roberto Clemente Park. I am Vincent Basile, and like always, I have my man Anthony Biondo behind the lens. If you are a Brentwood local, you guys definitely know the Brentwood spot, the do-it-yourself skate park. Like 8 years ago when I picked up skateboarding again, that was a spot that I would go to, put my headphones on, and just try to like relearn skateboarding again because I was super duper rusty. Push forward a bunch of years, and all the kids that were screaming about getting a skate park built, they finally got it. And it happens to be my brand new local as well, town of Islip. Shout out to anyone that helped get this skate park built. It was literally just built a year ago, opened up in the springtime of this year. I tried to hit up all the locals. I invited Ross from Hungry Bear Hardware, Chad CARUSO, who's here, skated across America. Shout out to Sal Santiago. TRISTEN Maldonado's definitely here. Matt Weitman's here. Ashton's coming. We got Trev coming. Shout out to whoever's gonna pull up. I just don't know who's gonna be here. You're here. Yeah, I'm here. But yo, I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit though. Let's go in the park. This park is super small. Everything is like crossing into each other.
Looks like a big hashtag.
Yeah, everyone going in like that direction. When there's nobody here, this park is a dream. When this park is crowded, this park is scary and hectic. I just wanted to say that. Right as we enter the park, kicker to kicker gap right here. Got two little banks. There's a quarter pipe here and a quarter pipe there. You might as well just turn around because there's a quarter pipe there and there's a quarter pipe there. Brentwood Park has this unique center. You come here, you do flat ground, you get your game of skates going. What's also pretty rad about this center is like the ledge right here and the little curb ledge right here. And that one's actually a little bit bigger over there, and then that one. So you have like ledges all in this area. So it's not only for flat ground, you could actually have yourself a nice ledge session. A 3-block right here with a hubba and a mirrored image right here and a round bar. Kinked, long. And on the opposite side, you have another kicker to kicker gap with a box built right into it. Any stance, any direction, you're golden. So now we're on the other side. Now you have this built-in fun box, manual pad, and then a little like wall ride. You could grind the top. It's got coping built right into it. It's actually a 4-stair over here, and you could wall ride it up or down. 4-block with the handrail, and another 4-block with the handrail. And the kicker. There's a bank right here, quarter pipe. This section, you have like a little curved box, and then you could literally bring it to that ledge right opposite of that round bar that you see right there. They're both manual pads. And the last two features I want to show you, this quarter pipe, it's small, but steep. And that bank right there. I like bank features, but it's just too small. Could have been a little bit like bigger, but I don't know. That's the whole park, guys. So let's get some clips, right? Oh, yeah. Let's do it. Let's get in there. Ashton's here.
lot of people don't show the filmers love, man. Make sure you check out Tone. Shout out fucking Tone. What's good, dog?
Shout out you.
Come on.
Shout out Trev.
What's good? We here.
All right, while we're rolling in the park, take a little quick break. Trevor, talk to us.
What's going on? I'm Trevor. I go by Trademark. You can find me on YouTube, Trademark 2200. We do skate vlogs and I teach you guys how to do tricks. Appreciate the shout out. Make sure you come to my video to see all the tricks they did in the behind the scenes.
Shit.
so smooth. Everything about this park. It's the best park on the island besides Montauk.
The ground is perfect.
Support your local skate shop and support your local TM1997 on Instagram.
Don't forget to follow me, Matt the Monster.
Yo, I'm the skate park bully. Skate park bully. Yo, look at this little guy. Damn. Skate park bully over here. Look at this guy. He looks like a slug. He looks like a ghost.
What do you think about the ground, Jacob?
I love
The ground's
hitting.
really hard. It hurts a lot when you fall on it.
Yeah, but what about this ground?
This ground hurts more than regular ground.
How smooth is it though?
Dumb smooth.
That's as smooth as peanut butter, baby.
Yeah,
What do you think?
peanut butter and jelly, man.
It's really smooth. Smoother than his bald head.
Who does a better one? Flex on him. We got a man down. Just bury me. Fire. Matt's face says it all. You see that?
Down my way.
You see what I saw?
Let's see the hat.
I can't see man.
All right, thank you for watching the Brentwood episode of the Rad Skate Park check-in. Shout out to everyone that came through.
Yo, shout out your mother. Yo, single ladies.
Shout out to your aunts and uncles.
All right, if you like the video, please like, subscribe.
Make sure you donate, like, subscribe.
Check out Rad Boardsport
And
Co.
check
at
me
Rad
out.
Boardsport Co. www.radboardsport.co. Shout out to Chad CARUSO, Sal Santiago. Shout out to Justin, Ashton, Tristan, Matt. Shout out to George, Ross, Trevor, Billy, everybody. TYSHAWN. Shout out to Shawnee,
Everybody at the
Matt
park.
Cartledge, everyone that got clips. Don't forget to ride all day.
Not only is it as smooth as his head, it's as smooth as his head.
Hey! Whose head is shinier? That's the question.
Nah, Vinny
Going head to head.
He shines his head every day.